Okay, so in this video we're going to cover georeferencing. We're going to georeference this old scanned map, and when we're done we're going to use the swipe tool to see how well it's aligning. To georeference you need your source, your scanned map. So this is what we have. This is our scanned map here, and then of course you're going to need a reference map, and in our case we're going to use the topo. This David Crockett National Forest is in Texas, a little bit north of Houston, Texas. So I'm going to zoom that area right here. It's close to the city of Crockett. This is the city of Crockett right here. And then we're going to add our scanned map. Say yes to this. And you're going to get this error. And this error is because our scanned map doesn't have a coordinate system yet, and that's what we're doing by georeferencing it. So getting this error is something that is expected. So we're going to go ahead and say okay on that one, and when this is added on here, it's just going to be put anywhere. It's going to be put on in the ArcMap on the 00. So what we're going to do, we want to commit to where we are. So we're going to select fit to display right here. And something that you can do, sometimes you get these scanned map that are very, very dark, that they didn't do a very good job scanning it. So what you can do, you can go to the properties and change the display, the transparency of the display. You can go maybe 55%. That way you are able to see where you through it. But in this case, they did the map that was scanned, they did a good job scanning it, so we're gonna leave it as 0. The things you're gonna need to georeference reference points, you're gonna need at least 3 control points for referencing. And in our case, we're gonna use, say, this right here, the intersection of State Highway 7 and 530. So right here before it gets to Crockett, City of Crockett, that's where the intersection is. And we're gonna go from the unknown point to the known point, or right there. And our second control point is gonna be close to the city of Groveton here, State Highway 94 and 287 get together. So we're gonna go there, from unknown to known. One thing that you have to notice that we have auto adjust. So since we have auto adjust turned on, whenever we click on the we put on the control points, the image, the scanned map adjusts itself. we don't have to do anything. It adjusts itself. So we need one more control point. And our third control point we're going to do is just after the county line here between Cherokee and Angelina, where FM 1819 and FM 1247 they meet, they intersect. So right here, unknown to known, and then we're going to zoom out a little bit and bring our swipe tool. We can undock this. Undock our swipe tool right here. And then of course we're swiping the image, the scanned image. So we can go up, down. If we go here, we can go up, down. Take this out of the way. We can go up, down, and see how well these align right here. And like right there, right there. Or we can go from left to right. We can go right there. And then of course you can go. So if you're satisfied with this, if you're satisfied with your work here, what you can do, you can go here and say update georeferencing. And what this is going to do, so if you look at here, this is going to be a world file that's going to be generated when we do that. So go here and say update. Yeah. So these are the one. So these are the coordinate references for these scanned maps. Now, if we were to open this on another, so if we were to open this on another Arc instance, for example, if we were to do this and add this, we're not going to get that error message anymore because now it has a coordinate reference to it. And that's it. That's all there is to georeferencing. Thank you.